In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with files in Google Drive using Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to access Google Drive. So go ahead and open your web browser of choice. Once it's launched, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. This can typically be done by entering drive.google.com in your address bar. After you're there, make sure to sign in to the account that has all the files you need. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you have all your documents at your fingertips. Now that you're in your Google Drive, it's important to prepare your documents. Take a minute to ensure that the files you want to discuss are already uploaded. This could be anything from Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or even PDFs. Having these files ready will streamline your experience and make interacting with them that much easier. Next, we'll open the Gemini panel. To do this, look for the Gemini icon or button. You should typically find it in the top toolbar or off to the right side of the screen. Once you spot it, simply click it, and this will open up the chat window where the magic happens. Now, before you start typing away, it's important to provide some context. When engaging in a chat about a specific document, mention the file's name directly in the chat or ensure that you have it selected in your drive. This way, the Gemini assistant understands which document you're referring to, helping to tailor its responses accordingly. Once you have your context set up, it's your turn to enter a prompt in the chat window. The beauty of using Gemini is that you can ask for anything from a summary of a long and tedious document to extracting a list of action items from meeting notes. If you have complex data in a spreadsheet that needs explaining, don't hesitate to ask for that either. The more you utilize Gemini, the better you'll understand how it can help you. Sometimes, though, the initial response might not be exactly what you're looking for. If that's the case, don't worry. You can refine your requests. Just provide more specific details. You might want to focus on particular sections of a document or even specify the desired tone of the answer. For example, if you need a straightforward answer versus something more detailed or conversational, just mention it in your chat. Lastly, always verify your permissions before trying to chat about a file. Be sure you have the necessary viewing permissions for any shared files, as restricted items won't be accessible during your chat with Gemini. Knowing this ahead of time can save you some confusion later on. And that's it. Now you know how to effectively chat with your files in Google Drive using Gemini. Make sure to give it a try and see how it can streamline your workflow. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy chatting!